In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable screenshots in Hubstaff. If you want to turn off screenshot capture in your Hubstaff workspace, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change with confidence. This setting is useful if you want more privacy or if your team no longer needs screenshot tracking as part of time monitoring. To begin, open Hubstaff and look to the main navigation area. From there, click on Activity. This is the section where Hubstaff shows tracking-related information, and it's a good starting point because it gives you access to the monitoring tools connected to your organization. Once you're in the Activity section, click on Screenshots. This will take you to the area specifically related to screenshot monitoring. Even though we're heading towards settings, going through this section helps you get to the right place and confirms that you're working with screenshot-related controls rather than general account preferences. After that, click on Settings. This is where Hubstaff lets you adjust how screenshots are handled for the organization or workspace you're managing. If you don't see the expected options, make sure you have the necessary permissions, since some settings may only be available to admins or account owners. Inside Settings, go to the Screenshot Frequency section. This is the key setting that controls how often Hubstaff captures screenshots while time is being tracked. Depending on your current configuration, this may already be set to a specific frequency, such as a certain number of screenshots per hour. Click on the Screenshot Frequency option to open the available choices. This should display a drop-down or selection menu with the screenshot frequency settings you can choose from. From the list of options, click on None. Selecting None disables screenshots, which means Hubstaff will stop taking screenshot captures during track time. This is the setting you want if your goal is to fully turn screenshot monitoring off. After choosing None, take a moment to make sure the change is reflected in the setting. In many cases, Hubstaff saves changes automatically, but it's always a good idea to visually confirm that screenshot frequency now shows None before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully disabled screenshots in Hubstaff. If you're managing a team, it can also be helpful to let users know about the change, so everyone understands how activity tracking will work moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.